Have you ever dreamed of working in New York City, grabbing a bagel on your way to your client's office? Or maybe you have imagined yourself in London, walking by the River Thames after a day's work at a top tier bank? For thousands of Indian IT professionals, this is not just a dream, it's a career milestone called an on-site opportunity. And thousands of Indian IT professionals are landing these roles every year. But how do they do it? Why do some people get picked to go to on-site while others stay stuck at offshore projects for years? In today's video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide to increase your chances of landing an on-site role in 2025. Whether you're working for TCS, Infosys, Wipro, or any IT company. Stick around till the end because I'm sharing some insider tips you don't want to miss. First, let's get clear on what an on-site opportunity is. In simple terms, it's when your company sends you to work at client's location in another country. This can be a short-term role, like a 3 to 6 months business trip, or a long-term assignment that lasts several years. On-site roles are common in countries like United States, United Kingdom, Germany, Australia, and Singapore. And the benefits? Higher salaries, foreign allowances, and of course, the experience of working with an international environment. But getting selected for an on-site role doesn't happen by accident. It requires strategy, skill building, and planning. Let's talk about exactly how to do that. Step 1. Master your core skills. The first and most important step is to master your core technical skills. Companies are looking for experts, not generalists, when they send people on-site. Ask yourself, what are you really good at? Whether it's Java, Python, DevOps, cloud, automation testing, you need to be one of the best in your team. Focus on becoming go-to person for your technology in your project. Also, stay updated with new tools and technology. For example, if you are in testing, learn Selenium, Cypress, and API testing. If you are in development, explore cloud platforms like AWS or Azure or AI and machine learning basics. Why? Because on-site roles often require niche skills, and having specialized knowledge makes you an easy choice for the role. Step 2. Deliver consistent high performance. Once you have built your technical skills, the next step is to consistently perform well in your current project. This is not just about meeting deadlines, it's about going the extra mile. Help your team during crunch times, volunteer for additional responsibilities, and most importantly, make your work visible to both your immediate managers and the on-site client. In most companies, your performance ratings and client feedback play a huge role in deciding who gets selected for on-site. If the client trusts you and specifically asks for you to come on-site, your chances go way up. So, be proactive, communicate clearly, and build trust with your stakeholders. That client endorsement can make all the difference. Step 3. Become client-facing. One of the fastest ways to land an on-site opportunity is to be in the client-facing role. Clients prefer to work with someone they already know and trust. So, how do you become client-facing? Start by volunteering for calls with clients, whether it's a daily stand-up, a demo, or status updates. If you are handling things like requirement gathering, defect triages, or UAT coordination, you are already in a prime spot to get noticed. Communicate regularly, ask relevant questions, and offer solutions. Clients often request these key people to come on-site because they have already built a working relationship with them. If you are not client-facing yet, talk to your project lead or manager and ask for the opportunity. Express interest. Sometimes, all it takes is asking. Step 4. Build domain expertise. Beyond technical skills, you need to develop domain knowledge. Understanding the client business is crucial. For example, if you're working for a banking client, learn the basics of financial services, payments, and compliance. If you are in insurance domain, know about claim processing or EHR systems. Domain expertise make you indispensable because you understand the business and the technology. This is a huge advantage when clients decide who to bring on-site. They want someone who can add value, not just follow instructions. So, take time to read up, ask questions, and get certified in your domain if possible. Certifications like CBAP for business analysis, LOMA for insurance, or Lean Six Sigma can be valuable too. Step 5. Express interest and be visible. This step often gets overlooked. You have to let people know you are interested in on-site opportunities. Talk to your project manager, delivery manager, or account manager. Tell them you're ready and willing to travel for on-site roles. In some companies, there is a formal process to apply for on-site assignments. In others, it's informal and depends on who is top of mind when the need comes. Either way, make sure they remember your name when topics comes up. Also, stay active in internal forums, technical groups, and certification programs. Visibility increases opportunity. Final and step 6. Get your paperwork and visas ready. This one is practical but super important. Have your passport updated. Be ready with documents like experience letters, education certificates, and certifications. If there are any internal on-site readiness program, complete them early. For countries like US or UK, having prior travel history or visa approvals helps a lot. If your company runs internal visa nomination cycles, participate actively and be ready to move quickly when the opportunity arises. Sometimes, it's about being the person who can leave on short notice. And if you are ready, you will be the first one to call. So, you have followed all the steps and got the on-site opportunity. Now comes the exciting part. What actually happens when you finally get that on-site opportunity? Let's talk about what you can expect once you make the move abroad. Once you get selected, things move fast. You will receive your travel plans, accommodation details, and allowance information. Most companies cover your flights, visa, and sometimes your initial stay until you find your own place. On-site roles come with daily allowances, which help you cover your food and travel expenses. And of course, you will be earning in foreign currency. It's a life-changing experience both professionally and personally. Many who go on-site build global connections, learn faster, and open doors for future opportunities, including permanent roles abroad. And there you have it, your step-by-step guide on how to land an on-site opportunity in the IT industry in 2025. On-site opportunities are not just about the travel. They are about professional growth, higher earnings, and opening doors to long-term global careers. Now, if you are aiming for higher salaries or curious about which IT job pay the most right now, I have got something just for you. Check out my other video, Top 5 Highest Paying IT Jobs in 2025. You will learn where the big bucks are, whether you are in service-based company, a product-based company, or dreaming about Mang roles. Click on the screen or find the link in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to IT Insider for more insight into world of IT. See you in the next one.